Rachel King. I'm the Executive Pastry Chef of Enlightened Hospitality Group. We're here at Searsucker today, and I'd love to show you how to make cake decorating royal icing. So first, we're going to start with 2 egg whites, and we're going to beat them in a stand mixer with the whisk attachment, so we're going to whisk it. I'm going to put this down, and I'm going to start on low, and then I'm going to slowly make my way up. So I've whipped my egg whites to medium peaks so they're nice and frothy. There's no sugar in there, so it's not going to be completely stable right now. But let me show you. This is about what they should look like. You want them to be a little bit stiff. I'm going to put the whisk attachment back in. And what we're going to do now is I have 4 cups of sifted powdered sugar. I'm going to slowly add that into the egg whites while they're whipping. Now at home, if you have a hand mixer, that's perfectly fine too. You just need the egg whites to get volume and stiff, and then we'll add it. So no worry if you don't have a stand mixer. Okay, I'm going to stop mixing for a moment and scrape down the sides of my bowl. That's important so it gets a nice consistency and there's no sugar lumps. So you can see inside the mixer that we're starting to get a nice thick syrup. But what we want is something pretty stiff to hold its shape when we decorate the cakes. Okay, so I've added the majority of my powdered sugar, not quite all of it, but it just depends how thick you'd like it. So that's up to you what you're going to use it for. If you're going to use it for cake decorating, you do want it to be a little bit thicker. If you're going to use it for cookie decorating, to decorate sugar cookies, you want it to be a little bit thinner so it can fudge your cookie. I'm going to scrape down the sides one more time so that all the powdered sugar is mixed in. So here you have royal icing. It was very quick and easy to make. You either want to use this right away or you want to cover it with a wet towel because it will dry out. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Rachel King, here for EHOW at Searsucker in San Diego. Hope you liked learning how to make royal icing.